Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Brian. Okay, today we're gonna do the selection sort. So with this algorithm is very easy and simple. However, it's a bit tricky if you don't really know about it. Okay, let's get started for this. So here I have an example. 540796. So what does the idea? You will compare the first item with others. So you will find the list one. Okay. The first item is 5. We compare with all the last items here, right? If you will find the list one. For the list one here is a 0. Okay, and the last is a 4. And you swap the position, right? 7, 9, and 6, right? So, and for the second, 4, with 4, you compare all this one because no one is, no other items greater than 4, so it's still same with this list. And you go with this one, also the same with 4, it's no other items greater than 5. No other item less than 5, so we'll still keep it the same list. And now we go to the list 7. Okay, so 7 here you can see as we go here 0, 4, and 5. Here 7 will compare with 9 and 6. 9 is greater than 7, so it no swap with the 7 position. But however 6 is less than 7, so we will swap the position with us. Okay, we'll find a 6 here, and 9 and 7, right? Uh, and now we will go with the element 9, right? 5, 6, and 9 with 7. 9 is greater than 7, so we will swap 9 and 7. Okay, that's how I should demonstrate the selection sorter for you guys to understand that. Now we we now we will go to demo about the code in Python. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I will demo the code for you. So let's get started. Yeah, selection sort array, and I have the and clean array, and for I in range and 1 because I'll only go to the previous of last uh, item. I only go to this one. I should like go to this one, right? And to compare with this one. Compare only with this one. That's why I only run with this one with this one. However, I compare with all this one, right? You can see it. That's why how I put it here. Okay, and I have a mean here equal to I because it starts with 0 for j in range I plus 1 and n here. If array mean greater than array j, we will swap it. Okay. Array mean Out of the loop, we return the array. Five, 4, 0, 7, 9, 6. Okay. Very good. Run this. Okay, we a bit wrong with this one. Okay, let's push another here. Yes, you can see it. Let's put another here. And yeah, that's it for you guys. I should demonstrate about selection sort algorithm. Thank you for watching.